Hi everyone, my name is Lisette and here's a warm makeup tutorial for you. Let's begin by using the Perfect Eyebrow Styler by Missha, and I'm just filling them in with the brow pencil. And I'm going to use the spoolie to comb my brow hairs, like so. Then I'll begin by using the Easy Breezy Brow Mascara by Covergirl and set my brow hairs in place. Now I'm going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and I'm just going to place this primer all over my eyelids to begin our eyeshadow. So we're going to start off with the light brown shade on the Persona Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and place it all over my crease. Then moving on to Brick, I'm just going to place it on my crease and also on my eyelid, like so. Then moving on to dark brown, I'm just going to place that shade close to my lash line and drag it to my outer V. Now moving on to light brown, I'm just going to go right back to my crease and buff that in with a fluffy brush. Now moving on to off-white, I'm just going to place this shimmery color on my brow bone. Now to line the eyes, I'm using the Lore'l Infalible Lacquer liner in the shade Blackest Black. Now let's create a wing. To create a sharper wing, I'm using this wipe. Looking good. Okay, now I'm going to be placing this 𝘅Kiss Falsies off camera. Using again the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, I'm just going to place it all over my face. Now I'm using the Missha Magic Cushion Compact and placing it all over my face, as well with the Pretty Vulgar concealer under my eyes and sides of my nose. Now let's use a damp beauty blender and blend everything in. Now using the 𝘅Ciate London Everyday Vacay setting powder, I'm placing it under my eyes and my T-zone. Now going back to light brown, I'm just going to place that close to my bottom lash line as well as the shade Brick. Going back to dark brown, I'm just placing it on my lower lash line on my outer corner. Now let's place this copper shade again on our bottom lash line to the center and dragging it to our inner corner. And let's give our eyes a little bit of pop. For my bottom lashes, I'm using the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Mascara. For our blush, we're using the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. I'm just placing it on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'll be using the Tarte's Pro Glow palette, and I'm diving into this brown shade to contour the nose. To highlight, I'm using the Pretty Vulgar highlighter, and I'm just going to place it in my key areas and let that face glow, girl. Don't forget the Cupid's bow. Now for the lips, I'm using the 𝘅Hudabeauty Lip Contour and Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombshell, and our makeup is finished. Don't forget to give this video a like. Recreate this makeup look. It's pretty easy, and you can tag me on my IG. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts when new videos are uploaded on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Besitos.